Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a hack that you can use to start your amazing maze without a blowtorch. Stay tuned. Alright, so you got yourself that amazing pellet maze, and if you don't have one yet, I have a link on the bottom of the video in the description if you guys want to go ahead and get yourselves one. But you forgot to buy the blowtorch, or you forgot you ran out of fuel for your blowtorch. The one issue with the amazing pellet smoker maze is that you have to apply a lot of heat at the beginning so that the initial pellets start. So there's a little hack that you can use, and all you really need that is for fuel is a regular lighter. Okay, so for this hack I found these at my local grocery store. They're called Tumbleweeds. I use these when I want to turn on my chimney starter, or if I want to turn on my charcoal in my stick barbecue grills. But I was told is that you can actually turn your pellets on with this using just a lighter. Okay, so if you don't have an amazing pellet smoker, these are really good. I did not fill it all the way because this is just for demonstration purposes, but this would be something, the way you would set it up would be for an actual smoke. These are really good for smoking, especially if you have a Masterbuilt electric smoker, which is, in my opinion, a smoker that doesn't smoke. I'm having to use a cold smoker attachment, and I'm going to this link just to get that smoke in there. Okay, but that's a video for that's a story for a video for another time. Okay, so the way you want to get this set up is, if you're gonna do a full smoke, you want to set up your tumbleweed at the edge where you want to start it, and you just light it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how with a simple lighter you can get your pellets going, and at the same time you can get you don't have to have a blowtorch. So all you do is you apply a little bit of heat to the, you can actually pick it up and just apply it to the bottom, and that starts it off. And you just let, I'm gonna turn off my fans here. I got some fans going. So essentially what this is doing right now is it's actually gonna light my pellets on fire, which I want, but I only want on this side, so that's why I have it just on this one edge. And eventually when this goes off, the entire rest of the pellets will go ahead and start continuing to smoke like they normally do. What you want to do is you want to push them in a little bit as they're getting, as the tumbleweed is starting to die down on you. You want to push it on over it as much as possible. And there you go. What you're seeing right now is a smoke. The reason you wouldn't see smoke a little while ago was because of the flame that was being produced by the tumbleweed. But now that the tumbleweed stopped, now you're starting to see the smoke that the amazing pellet smoker is producing using a tumbleweed and your lighter. Okay, so it's nice to have a blowtorch because you can light it up right away and you're good to go. But if for whatever reason you don't have one, this would be your next alternative, your next best alternative. So what you're seeing right now is the smoke coming out of my pellets who have already been lit. So if you do like this, please this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. This was just a real quick and easy video showing you a quick hack that you can use. I have other videos that show you anywhere from smoking briskets to setting up smokers to all this stuff. So if you do like this channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Once again, thanks for watching. This has been The Smoking Beard.